Hello, everyone. I just wanted to come on here and talk about something that I hope will help you to get through a dark time. I don't want to say a dark time in your life, but maybe things aren't going as you expected them to go, or something is going on in your own life, or you could even be affected by the things that are happening globally, around the country, wherever you are, politically, whatever the case may be. I just feel inspired to share with you some of the things that have helped me when I've gone through things that aren't always the brighter side of life, because life isn't always a bed of roses, and we're not always happy all the time, and that's okay. One of the things that has gotten me through things is to look back on times when I've gone through other things and just be grateful, not only that I've survived them, but really that I've gained wisdom to help me survive those things now and in the future. Another thing that really has helped me, and I want to share that with you, is celebrating the little wins, the little accomplishments that I've had, maybe during the day, during the week. It could be within that month, whatever. Just give yourself that little pat on the back, because you did accomplish something. It doesn't have to be anything large. It could be something small, and those smaller things build up to larger things, and it really helps to do that, not only when you're feeling down, but every day. That way you're building up the habit of doing that, and the more you do that, the more you focus on those positive things, and the more you can focus on those positive things, it builds resiliency within you, and you're better equipped to handle those times that don't feel so good. Another thing that has helped me, and people are going to say, oh, but how am I going to know what's going on in the world? You will. Turn off the news. I'm not saying permanently. You can turn it on, kind of have it on in the background if you want, or turn it on to hear the headlines, but I'm talking about filling your head with some of the fear-based things that are being spread around, because what that's going to do is that's going to make you fearful and make you worry about the things that are happening in society or around you. And a lot of those things are not necessarily within our control. We can go out and vote. We can help to cut down on injustice around us by advocating for people and even ourselves, but we can't change things at the end of the day. We can't be always worrying about what's going to happen in the future either, because that worrying isn't even going to make a difference. Does that make sense? But what will help is to have a clear head. Do what you need to do to put yourself in that place where you have a clear head. And then, if you really want to make a change, do it from that space. Also, another thing that really helps is just to get out. Get out of your house. Go take a walk. Do something that will get you out of your head and away from that negative mindset. And I'm not talking about suppressing your feelings or pushing them down. I want you to deal with those feelings effectively, but I want you to do it when you're in a good place within yourself. And I also want you to not be afraid to reach out to someone if those feelings, those thoughts in your head get to be too much for you. It's not shameful. It's not wrong, anything like that, to reach out to someone. It could be a friend, mentor, a mental health professional, whatever. But just reach out to someone. Don't isolate yourself, because that could keep you in that negative mindset. Anyway, guys, I really hope that helped someone. I really hope that resonated with you. I'm sending you all so much love and many blessings.